Hi children, good morning everyone. Today I am going to start first lesson, that is for 6th class, our food. Okay? So in this, if I ask you what is your favorite food, what is your answer? What are your answers? So you say so many, you give so many list. You say so many food items. What are that? Rice, dal, vegetable curries, biryani, puliyora, idli, dosa. Okay, idli sambar, dosa chutney, vada. So like that, you give so many answers. So do you know how they prepare? How do they prepare the food items? What are the components? What are the sources of food items? Do you know? It is very difficult to you to say the answer. Yes, no. So we say it is very tasty. The food is very tasty. I like this curry. I like this food item. But you don't know how to prepare this. How to prepare the food items. Yes, no. So how the idli made soft? How the idli made soft? Do you know that? Did you ask any time to your mother? No, we don't ask. Our mother prepares everything and we eat nicely. If that is tasty, we eat more. If that is not tasty, we don't eat. Hence, we don't like to eat the food items which are not tasty. Yes, Nana. So why do we eat food? Why do we eat food? We eat food to get energy and to keep our body healthy. Yes, why do we eat food? We eat food to get energy and to keep our body healthy. Yes, and what are the materials required to prepare the food items? Do you know? Do you know? So what are the ingredients? What are the ingredients? The materials which are required to prepare food items, that are called the ingredients. So to know about the food components and to know about the ingredients, it is very important. It is very important to know about the ingredients and food items and preparation of food item. Okay, so in this lesson we can learn what are the ingredients and what are the sources of food items and preparation. Okay, in this lesson we learn all these things. Okay. So here, in our class, so many students are there. If I ask, what did you eat in the breakfast? So what do you say? I ate rice. Some members say I ate rice, dal, or brinjal curry, potato curry. And some members say idli sambar, dosa chutney, vada chutney. So like that. So here, different members say different types of food items. Okay. So what is your favorite food? Everyone has a different favorite foods. Yes? No one has a same favorite food. So different members have the different favorite foods. Okay children. So what are the food ingredients? What are the ingredients? Do you know what are the ingredients? So I am saying, so to make tomato curry, what do we need? What do we need, Nana? Tomatoes, oil, onion, jeera, mustard seeds, black gram seeds, Bengal gram seeds, okay, chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, water, coriander powder, coriander leaves, curry leaves also. Okay, did you observe what your mother is adding in the tomato curry? No. So today what is said? The things to prepare tomato curry, that are the ingredients. What are the ingredients? the materials which are required to prepare tomato curry, or the materials which are required to prepare food item, that are called as ingredients. That are called as ingredients. Okay, Nana? So here, I am saying payasam, chicken curry, pallikara. So payasam. To make payasam, what do we need? Semia, milk, water, sugar, coconut, almonds, kismis, cashew. So these all we need to prepare. Some ghee also. So if you, some members they add ghee in a payasam. So that are the ingredients to make the payasam. And what are the ingredients needed to prepare chicken curry? Chicken, pieces of chicken, okay, oil, onions, tomatoes, jeera, mustard seeds, black gram seeds, water, coriander powder, coriander leaves, okay, and ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, okay, and pallikara. To make pallikara, groundnuts, red chili powder, salt, and some members they add coriander seeds also, okay, and curry leaves. Yes, Nana. So that are what I said, the materials to prepare payasam, chicken curry, pallikara, that are the ingredients. What are that? Ingredients. Okay, Nana. So here, from where do we get these ingredients? From where do we get these ingredients? We get these ingredients from plants and animals. We get these ingredients from plants and animals. From plants, we get fruits, vegetables, okay, and some dry fruits, condiments. These all we get from plants. Flowers we get, okay, and from animals we get milk, eggs, meat. Okay, no. From plants we get fruits, vegetables, okay, leafy vegetables, some flowers. Okay, from animals we get milk, meat, egg. Milk, meat, eggs. Okay, no. So that are the sources of food items. Plants and animals are the sources of food items. That are the ingredients also we get from plants and animals. So here, in this table, they given ingredients. They given ingredients. So from which plant or animal we get this? So if the ingredients we are getting from plant, you write from plant, and name of the plant also you should write. Okay, cooking oil. So can you name some oils which are made from plants? So that are groundnut, sunflower, til oil. Til oil means nuvul nune antam manam. Yes, that one. So these we get from plants. These are the plants. So name of the plant means I told already. Okay, sunflower, groundnut, til. Honey. Is it from plant or animal? Honey from animal. So what is the name of the animal? Honeybees. What is the name of the animal? Honeybees. And next, chips. Okay, so you are eating different varieties of chips. Can you name? Potato chips, tomato chips, banana chips, onion chips. Okay, so like that we are getting different types of chips. Okay, that we get from plants. So you write from here plant. So names of the plants. Turmeric powder. Is it from plant or animal? Plant. So plant. So like that you write. Salt. So where do we write this salt? Is it? Do we get this plant or animal? We don't get this from plant or animal. So it is a mineral. What is it? It is a mineral we get from the sea. We get from the seas. What is it? What is it? It is a mineral we get from the seas. Okay, so you should write others. Here you write no plant or animal, just you write from the sea. Okay, duff. Duff means we make the duff with the flours. Flours means with the flour. What is that? Wheat flour, Bengal gram flour. ఏమంటాం వాటిని? శనగపిండి అంటాం కదా. బెంగాల్ గ్రామ్ ఫ్లోర్, వీట్ ఫ్లోర్, రైస్ ఫ్లోర్. విత్ దట్ వి మేక్ డఫ్. అంటే పిండి ముద్దను తయారు చేస్తాం కదా, దట్ ఈస్ ద డఫ్. ఓకే, సో దట్ వీఆర్ మేకింగ్ డఫ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ప్లాంట్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్. వీఆర్ మేకింగ్ డఫ్ విత్ ద ప్లాంట్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్. సో దట్ ఈస్ plant. So name of the plant. Meat, animal, sheep, goat, hen. Rice, plant, paddy, eggs, animals. So name animals. Sugar. Sugar we get from plant. Okay, name sugar cane. Peanuts, plant, peanut plant. So in this list we found that some ingredients we get from plants and some ingredients we get from animals. Okay Nana? So we eat different food items from the plants and animals. From the plants and animals. So goat, sheep, they give meat. They give meat. And hens, roasters, that give us meat and also eggs. Meat and also eggs. And we get food from the plants. So parts of plants also we eat. Parts of plants. What are that? Leaves of spinach, flower of cauliflower, fruit of tomato, drumstick. Okay, and the leaves, not only leaves of spinach, coriander plants also. And what is fenugreek, menti kura antam kada mana. So that also we eat. The leaves of fenugreek, seeds of fenugreek also we eat. Yes, no. So different parts of the plants we eat. And roots of carrot. Okay, different parts of plants we are eating. Different parts of plant we are eating and we are taking as our food. Okay, and we get varieties of food materials from plants, and we eat only some parts of the plant as a food. Okay, and some plants we take total entire plant we take as our food. Okay Nana? So next ingredients. What are ingredients? What are the ingredients? So to make biryani or kheera. Biryani we know. Kheera means payasam. Okay Nana? So to make biryani what do we need? Okay, these are all we need. What are these? Cloves. What are these? Cloves. Lavanga, ilachi, cardamom, biryani leaves, dalchini, cinnamon. Okay, so what are these? Cloves, lavanga, ilachi, cardamom, biryani leaves, dalchini, cinnamon. Okay, this we use to make biryani. This we use to make biryani. So these are called as a fragrant materials or condiments or sugandha dravyalu. What are these Nana? These are called as a condiments or sugandha dravyalu or fragrant materials. Fragrant materials means this give good smell, nice smell. Okay, that's why we call it as a sugandha dravyalu or fragrant materials. And how are you seeing here? Yes. What are these? Cashew nuts, almonds, kismis, walnuts, pistachios. What are these? Pistachios. What are these? Cashew nuts, almonds, walnuts, kismis, and these are pistachios. So these are called as a dry fruits. These are called as a dry fruits. So these we use to make keera. These we use to make keera. So these are the ingredients. They grow in a particular places. In a particular places. They don't grow in every place. In a every place. Only in some particular places they grow. So we get this in a little quantity. Only some quantity we get. So that's why these are very expensive. These are very expensive. Okay, Nana? So did you understand up to here? So what are the ingredients and what are the sources of food items and what are ingredients? Okay. So we meet in the next class. In that we learn preservation of food and preparation of food items.